Hi guys, postman's bin, Amazon. I don't often buy stuff from Amazon, but I did this time. Some stuff here that I put off buying for ages, or if we put it another way, it's been on my wish list for a long time and finally decided to buy. I hope that's what's in here. Okay, what we got? Tip tinning. For sorting out your soldering iron tip. That was just one of the things that was on my list. Buy it next time I make a big order. Same with that. That's just some solder. Solder wire, lead free. SN99, I think that says. 50 grams. A book. The Beacon and Beacon 2. Battle of Nuclear Creek by Mark Vaughan. Slider 2732 on YouTube. One of my good old YouTube friends writes books, and I've been meaning to actually buy one of his books for ages. I've downloaded them, but I thought I would buy one, hard copy. Quite an interesting story. I've already read it. In fact, I read it when I downloaded it. EMP attack. Puts an interesting twist on Armageddon and that sort of thing. So I shall read that again. Right, now, 3D printing. This one is supposedly the genuine Creality Ender 3 direct drive kit. So I should be able to print TPU filament. So that's a bit of work to do. There is a video on it, so no doubt I'll be watching the video and doing it. Whether I'll do a video of me doing it, I don't know. I usually do, but there's not a lot of space where my printer is to do it. And then that, again, Creality. Doesn't even tell us what, oh there we are. No, it doesn't tell us what it is, but that's the XYZ drive. Instead of having just one on your printer, or at least as you do as standard on the Ender 3, you can modify it so you have one on both sides, which is supposed to give you a smoother run. Again, there's a video on that. Yeah, standard, the Z drive's on that side. This puts another motor on the other side, so it lifts up on both sides at the same time. I really didn't need that at all. I'm not particularly worried about getting absolutely perfect prints, but it was recommended to do that at the same time as this, because you've got to get down to the control board and shift wires around. So I thought, well, if I'm going to do that, then we'll do that at the same time. So that was the main points of the post today. So I say there probably will be a video on it. Probably, but not definitely, and I don't know when I'm going to do it. I did say I wasn't going to do the modifications, but eventually I decided I would. I have to read that. So I've already read it because I downloaded it, but I'll see if I can sit there and read it. Maybe my wife might like to read it. She reads more than I do. I fall asleep when I read. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.